Hey, so I've got this new nifty little gadget for my shower. It is a back scrubber, and this is so you can get those hard to reach places on your back when you're in the shower. And it's got two textures. So it's got this knobbed texture, which to me is more like a massage type setting. And then this texture, which is I think more of like your scrubber that you're gonna wanna use with like soap to actually clean your back. And it's a one-piece molded silicone. It's got pretty good stretch on it. The handles are nice. They've got these little finger cutouts, so it's like anti-slip. And you just put it behind you, and you can just go like that in various different directions, you know, just depending on where you're trying to get on your back. But just a really nifty little device, and it's nice because it's easy to clean. It's all one piece, so there's not any seams or any places that are going to get like dirty and gross that you can't get to. So that's always good peace of mind, knowing that you can sanitize and clean the whole thing after each use.